In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to normalize your audio for YouTube using Davinci Resolve in just 5 minutes. So, if you're looking to ensure that your audio sounds crisp, clear, and well balanced, stick around because I'm about to walk you through this process step by step. Let's get started by launching Davinci Resolve. If you haven't installed it yet, it's a versatile video editing software developed by Blackmagic Design, available for both Windows and Mac. Once you've opened Davinci Resolve, you'll find yourself on the Project Manager screen. Here, you can either create a new project or open an existing one. For our purposes today, click on the project you're working on. This will redirect you to the project window where all the magic happens. Now, the next step is to navigate to the Edit page. You'll find it at the bottom of your screen, clearly labeled with Edit. This is where you have access to your timeline, and it's the place where we'll be focusing our attention on the audio tracks. The edit page provides a comprehensive view of your sequence, which includes audio, video, and other elements you'll need. Once you're on the edit page, you can see all your audio and video tracks laid out in the timeline. To start normalizing the audio, locate the audio track you want to adjust. Right-click directly on the audio track you intend to work with. Right-clicking will bring up a context menu with several options related to audio adjustments. In this context menu, you'll see the option labeled Normalize Audio Levels. Go ahead and click on this. Normalizing audio levels is an essential step, as it ensures that your audio maintains a consistent volume throughout the video without peaking or distorting the sound. It's a straightforward yet powerful tool to keep your audio professional sounding. Once you click Normalize Audio Levels, a dialog box will appear. Here, you can set the target level for normalization, typically measured in decibels. For YouTube videos, a good setting to aim for is around 23 LUFS, which YouTube suggests for balanced and broadcast-friendly audio levels. After you've entered the desired value, hit Apply, and Davinci Resolve will automatically adjust the audio levels for you. And that's it. With just a few simple clicks, you've managed to ensure that your audio is professionally balanced and ready for upload. Consistent audio levels not only enhance the listening experience of your audience, but also add a touch of professionalism to your content. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy editing.